Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a 10 minutes tutorial on how I got my amazing client ready for her birthday shoot. So stay tuned and learn a thing for yourself. If you're just in my channel for the first time today, please do well to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. So first we went off to clean her face and make sure it is free from oil and dirt, and also get her canvas ready for the glam section. Next we went on to moisturize her face, and for moisturizer I'm using the blossom moisturizer. After moisturizing, you want to make sure you dry that out. Then next we went on to do primer, and for primer I'm using the gentle dove mattifying primer. Make sure to blend that properly into the skin, and don't forget to always dry out each prep process before going on to do the next. Next, we went on to do her foundation, and for foundation, we are using the Revlon foundation. Going in with my white Glam Beauty sponge, went on to apply that onto her skin and make sure you blend out properly. On this day, my phone was messing up so bad, so I couldn't record all the process of my glam, so please bear with me. So next, we went on to apply some concealer, and for concealer, I'm using those two shades. One is from Yangabeauty and the other one is from LA Girl Pro Concealer, though the accurate number will be in the description box, so do well to check it out. Applying it with my applicator, and this brush is from Northern Beauty. I went on to blend it properly using the same beauty sponge I used in applying her foundation. Took my time to blend that properly, then I went on to set her under eyes, and for her under eyes I'm using the Glam setting powder and a precise brush to help me target any fine lines that may be there, and also cover it properly with my setting powder. You want to apply that on the skin. Please do not take too much powder, just pick up the product and then dust it out before going on to set the under eye. This way you're going to have a flawless finish at the end of the day. Please kindly ignore the way my voice is. I'm a bit under the weather while I was recording this voiceover, but I hope this helps you achieve a flawless makeup look on a dark skin. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to also comment on this video and post whatever you want me to teach in my next video, and I would do well to respond to you. Also hit the share button so we can push the video to more audience that may want to learn how to do makeup on a dark skin. So after that, we went on to apply powder all over her face, and for this you want to pick her exact skin tone, her exact skin shade. If not, she might turn out looking ashy at the end of the day. Next, we went on to contour her nose using the same powder palette, just a shade that is 1 to 2 shades darker than her skin. So you want to contour her nose properly. Next, we went on to set her highlighted area using a powder from the powder palette. Now this is a pressed powder. The first setting we did was with a loose powder, so we are now going to set using a pressed powder. So next I went on to reverse her contour using my pressed powder. This is going to help us pronounce her face contour. I usually do this when I'm working on a dark skin because I'm not going to like contour her face aside her nose, so I just end up doing like a reverse contour for the client. So next we went on to do the eyeshadow. Please, from here I just have to beg you all to please understand with me. On this day my phone was just showing up memory full, and I was recording and it wasn't popping up. So these are the little clips I put together for you. So right here we are doing the eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I use the Blossom eyeshadow. So here I'm just picking some matte shade to actually transit her eyes. Next I went on to pick my eyeshadow color and I place it on her eyelid. I'm going to show you the color I used. Now these are the two colors I used for her eyeshadow, and you can see how beautiful it's already popping. And Nigerian brands are doing so wonderfully well. So go right ahead and blend it in so that there are no demarcations or harsh lines between the eyeshadow and the transition color. And after that I went on to do the brows, and for the brows I'm using a pencil from Davis Pencil in the shade 03. So we're just going to basically trace her natural brow and then fill it in. At some point my phone wasn't also recording, so you won't see me doing the complete brow. So at this point I was already done with the brows without even knowing that my phone wasn't recording previously. So this is me just like filling out where there are demarcations between the natural hair and the pencil work, and I'll go ahead to also conceal and correct her brow. Please keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and also share. Thank you so much. Next I went right on to line her eyes, and I'm using the Tehila black gel. I'm going to line her waterline and also the top of her lid. You can see what I'm doing in the video. Next I went on to smudge her waterline using the dark shade from my Zaron smudge eyeshadow palette. I'll be smudging her waterline. Next I went right on to fix her false lashes, and I'm fixing her false lashes using a bonding glue. You want to place that directly on the natural lashes, then adjust it to align with the natural lashes and press it together. Next I went on to set her under eyes just in case there are any eyeshadow fallout, and for this I'm using a precise brush to help me get into the inner corners of her eyes without irritating her eyes. You want to blend that properly and make sure you are using a powder shade that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than her skin tone. Next, I went on to apply some blush on her face to bring warmth and color to her face. This will also create some dimension on her face. You want to apply that on top of her cheekbone and on the tip of her nose as well. Next, I went on to apply some highlighter on her face, and for this I'm using the Revolution highlighter and blush palette. I want to apply that on top of her cheekbone, on her forehead, the bridge of her nose, her cupid bone and her jaw. You can see what I'm doing in the video, though try to be light-handed so it's not looking too much. Next, I went on to spray her face so that it's going to have the skin-like finish. Spray judiciously and then dry out with a mini fan. And then I went on to line her lips, and for her lips I'm lining it using my black gel that I use for eyeliner, the black gel from Tehila, and then my brow gel from Heige&Esther in the shade Ebony. I mix those two together and I use it to outline her lips before going in with my lip color from Imagic lip palette. Keep watching, you see what I did in the video. Thank you. If you watch up to this point and you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please do well to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Comment and share, and don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Next, I went on to apply some lip gloss to her lips, and the lip gloss I used is a clear lip gloss from Blossom Cosmetics. Next, I went on to spray her makeup for a long lasting wear, and the spray is from FVH Cosmetics. This is a locking spray. Dried out with a mini fan. And here's the final looks, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Do subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.